In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tables on a Reddit post. When you're sharing information on Reddit, sometimes plain text isn't enough. Maybe you want to compare features, list data in a clean way, or organize information so it's easier for people to read. That's where tables come in. They help you present content clearly and make your post look more professional and easy to follow. Let's walk through the process from the very beginning so you can confidently add a table to your next Reddit post. First, open Reddit in your browser or in the app, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, head to the community where you want to post, or go to your home feed. Look for the button that says Create Post. This is usually near the top of the page or screen. Click on Create Post to open the post editor. In the post editor, you'll see a place to type your title and a larger area for the body of your post. Make sure to give your post a clear, descriptive title so people understand what your table is about. Then click into the main text area where you'll be adding your content. Above that text area, you should see a toolbar with various formatting options such as bold, italics, lists, and more. Among those icons, look for the table icon. It often looks like a small grid or a set of squares. Click on the table icon to start creating your table. When you click it, Reddit will either insert a basic table structure directly into your post or open a small menu where you can choose the number of rows and columns. Think ahead about what you want to show. For example, you might have columns for categories, descriptions, and notes, and rows for each item you want to compare. Once the table appears, you can click inside each cell and start typing your content. Take your time to label your headers clearly so readers can quickly understand what they're looking at. If you need to adjust the table, many editors let you add or remove rows and columns by right-clicking or using additional icons that appear near the table. Before you publish, scroll through your post and make sure everything looks clean and aligned. Preview the post if that option is available, so you can see how the table will appear to others. When you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and submit your post. You've now successfully added a table to a Reddit post, making your information clearer, more organized, and much easier for others to understand.